Alrighty, so this is another series in the iPage web hosting system series, and we're going to talk a little bit about Weebly Drag and Drop Builder today. So the Weebly Drag and Drop Builder is a very easy to use web builder system. You don't have to know how to use any code. Go ahead and click to open that up. And so this is what you see before you've started anything. If you have multiple domain names, you can go ahead and select them from here. I've only got one. And the drag and drop builder does have additional upgrades, so you can upgrade if you want. However, I'm going to just go ahead and use the basic site that comes with the iPage system. So I create basic site, and it's going to go ahead and launch the information. Okay, so let's wait while that loads everything up. So you can see that this is a very basic system. Everything here is drag and drop, literally. So let's go ahead and close that out. You can see here that it already kind of starts a template for me. This is the image that I can change. I can add my own image. I can fade it. I can change it. I can crop it. I can add text. So if you have an image that you want to use for, let's say, you've got a logo, for your store, go ahead and add that image in there. It'll be awesome. You can change the title here. So this, I'm gonna say example site. So there's example site. Alright, so I've changed my title here. I can also add a logo if I wish to. So I can choose a file from my computer. Let's see here. Here we go. Alright, so I've got my own logo here. If I don't like that logo, I can always change it. I can change my text. You know, I put example site, that's okay. I can edit that some more if I wish. Or I can turn it off totally. I don't need it. I can change the text here. Follow me. Alright. And this section allows my Facebook, Twitter, RSS feed to simply be added. All I have to do is add my direct link, and all of a sudden you can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on Twitter, etc. So this allows your website visitors to easily interact with you and to basically say they like you and follow you. It's social media at its finest. It allows you to really connect with your users. Alright. So this is the title section. The edit the image section. This is where you might put your header image. So you can do all kinds of things here. If you want to add text, you can change this up. Example site. Alright, I can take that example site, I can add a shadow if I want. Make it really stand out. I can make it glow. Woo! Alright. And I can change the color. So you see I've got various colors here. If I want to do a gradient, I choose the 2 colors or more if I want to. And you can see that the colors will go from the top to the bottom color in a gradient format. I can also change the direction, or I can choose a pattern. Alright, so we have our text added. If we want to change the image, we simply say add an image. You can always upload your own image from your computer if you want. If you have some favorite images selected in the system, you can do that. If you know where the image is on the web, you can add it through this system. Or this system actually already has some pre-selected images in it. You can do a search. I had done a search for lake. If you want to do a search for dog, you can do a search for dog. I'm not sure why the cat showed up. You can do a search for mountain. Whatever you want to search for. There are some pictures already in this system that you are able to use. Pictures that are too large will simply be cropped automatically. So let's go ahead. I'm going to select this mountain image here. And you see this is a pretty large image. So I'm going to go ahead and set it right there. Tell it OK. I'm going to move my text so it shows up a little bit better. Alright. And so for this image, I can do all kinds of things. If I want to crop it, I can. If I want to change the opacity, no problem there. The effects, black and white, antique, burnt, whatever I want to do with it. This system helps me do it. Really super simple. And it does it all for me. I don't have to know how to do anything. So I'm going to take this and put that over there. And I'm going to say OK. Alright. So that is the top section of your drag and drop builder. Your logo, your social media, and your header image. So join me back next time when we start talking about some of these elements that you're going to drag and drop into the system.